Stop playing with projects that really pays. The other day, I made a video about me withdrawing a project, an airdrop worth over $110, and I made a YouTube video about it, live withdrawal. You can go over to my channel and search for the video. Let me show you guys the video over here. So if you go over to my channel, this is the video over here. You can watch it by yourself. The video is around 14 minutes long. All you need to do is just watch the video and see how everything worked for me in the video. And I will also use this opportunity to plead with you guys to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. You are helping the channel to grow. Please, before the end of this month, I would like you guys to help me reach 5,000 subscribers. And don't forget to turn on the bell icon like this. Turn on the bell icon or the bell icon so that you get notification whenever I drop any updates like this. And lastly, don't forget to drop a like and tell me whatever you need to tell me in the comment section. Just like this, my friend asked me how long does the withdrawal to receive the withdrawal, and guess what, the project is legit free. And just watch the video and see how it works. And with this, I think I've gotten you guys' attention, and I'm now telling you guys, introducing you guys to this particular project, which made a lot of people millionaires, if not millionaires in the crypto space within some months earlier this year, because they mined and they took this particular project serious. I'm talking about Tor.io. Tor.io is a project that was launched. The first project is, should I say, the initial project of this particular app called Satoshi app. And after core mining, and the core mining, according to TradingView, the last price which core reached was $30 before it begin to drop down to any amount of money that it is currently trading with. I think it's around trading with 14 cents. But if you go over to CoinMarketCap keep on saying that core listed with $6. That is the highest amount of money that is listed. So as you can see, the project was very, very, very massive, and once the time it's listed, a lot of people made a lot of money about it. The reason is because they took the mining serious and they were mining it back to back. Kind of unfortunately for me, I didn't started it on time. I was not crypto oriented well that time, so I didn't take it that serious and didn't start it on time. I got around 190 something pieces of core, and with it I made over $200 with it. So imagine if I mined over 7,000 or 2,000 or 4,000, I would have been one of the biggest earner in the airdrop, because I started mining it on time for, I think it was 2 years. But yeah, the era of core have ended. We are now in the new project which is being mined in the Satoshi app, which the name is OpenEX. So if you go over to this particular place, you see this. This is how the OpenEX looks, and the mining started. That it was March this year. Yes, if you go over to projects over here, you see all the projects. All these other projects here are test coin. You don't need to suffer yourself mining them because they are not of value. If you check over here, you see this says the test token for test projects have no value. They will only be used for purpose of testing during the test period. You can check it out and see how they say it. So since they already told us that the test token is just to test the process of mining the real coin here, there's no need of us trying our best to mine the project. Instead, we are going to focus on the main project, which is this particular OpenEX. OpenEX is also an exchange project which is going to launch, according to what they say. The mining is going to start by March next year. So March next year is just a couple of months coming, and I would like you guys to take it serious, and let's see whatever we will get from mining this particular project. So what you have to do is to click this particular place that's showing me exit airdrop. You will see where they will ask you to participate airdrop, just like you see here, participate in airdrop. Once you click on it, that is when you are done downloading this app, activating your account, and doing your face verification. So once you're done doing your face verification, the next thing you have to do is to go ahead and activate the airdrop. So once you activate the airdrop by participating in airdrop, is going to lead you over to this particular place. What you have to do, for those of you that are mining the project, all you have to do is to make sure that you come over to your account every single day. Maybe to do it twice a day or 3 times a day. It's not gonna stress you anyway. So all you have to do is to try your best and claim all these blocks which have been already mined for you, because if once it reach, as you can see, I'm currently having 19 rounds of airdrop over here. Once it reach around 25 rounds of airdrop, automatically it will stop mining for you, showing that you are no more active. So what you have to do, try it at least. Try it 2 times, 3 times a day. For me, I normally come to my account anytime that I had the chance, and I click on claim over here, and as you can see, it's going to take away all the airdrop season that you have mined that have been sent to you when it was sending it to people based on your mining rate. It's going to you are going to withdraw it to your account and secure it, then give another room for the next 25 pieces of block that is going to come to you. There's nothing much I want to say on this video, but if you're mining OEX on Satoshi app, take it serious, take it serious, take it serious. And if you're not mining it, you can sign up with the link in the description of this video. If you're having any issue signing in or verifying your account, you can contact me on WhatsApp and I can try my best to lead you through. And with this, I think I have showed you guys all I need to show you guys on this video. Mine OEX, mine OpenEX, now that the mining is not available, and take it serious. Try your best, share your link in case you can share your link, and try your best to go ahead and share hashcards with people so that you will increase your mining rate. At least my mining rate is running with 0.5 OpenEX per block, and that per block is always per hour, so each block comes for 1 hour. So there's nothing much to say on this video. If not, take your mining serious, and if you have not mining, start mining it. You are missing a lot. So and with this, I say see you guys in my next video. Bye.